handed down today. We're not surprised by it. I think it's really unfortunate that we could have had this 6 years ago, and we didn't have it 6 years ago. Nobody was willing to offer it.
Jen, up there you were talking about how other people got a lesser sentence. Do you
Right.
think that this is fair, what's happened to Jody here today?
For the facts of this case and when I compare it to other cases that I know about, no, I really think this is a second-degree case, but that has long since passed. So what I think is fair, I think that a possibility of release would have been reasonable for the judge to give.
What about the discussion of her not showing remorse? You touched on that to the judge. I mean, has she shown remorse?
Oh, absolutely. She has shown remorse since the day I met her. I think that what I said is true because of, no offense, the media and social media in particular. No matter what she says, she can't do anything right. So, and that tends to shut people down.
The feeling is that she still believes that, and you believe that she was a victim as well in this.
She was. I mean, ultimately, during the relationship that she had, it's very clear to me that the relationship was toxic. It doesn't mean that Mr. Alexander deserved it, and I think that everybody should know that the defense has never said that. What happened to him is horrible.
How is Jody doing right now? Do you have any words with her after the sentencing?
Yeah, sure, we talked.
Feeling?
She feels good. She's ready for the next part of her life.
And as for you, this has been a long trial, a long period of time. I guess glad that this part is over, or how are your feelings?
Oh, I'm ready for the next part of my life, too. This has been a long haul.
Jen, you referred to the lynch mob in the social media. How much do you think the judge was playing to justice, and how much do you think that all of that played on the judge's decision today?
Well, she's a judge, and so she is an officer of the court. She's an attorney. I would hope that I'm sure she followed the law like she should.
Do you think this had any bearing on her decision?
The social media? Absolutely. Well, on her decision, I can't say what on her decision or not. I don't know what's inside of her. I just know that she's a judge and she's sworn to do things the right way and the fair and just way. So I think she did that. But as far as social media and what it has done to this case, it's really unfortunate.
Kurt said he wants off in terms of appeals. Does that hold for you as well? And are there going to be appeals?
Trial attorneys never do appeals.
Yeah, so you both are there other lawyers ready to take this case now and to appeal this decision?
Yes.
Yes. And that will happen.
Yes.
Hey, Jen, what was your sense on the jurors that were actually present in the courtroom? I don't think I've ever seen that.
I've never seen it either.
Again, did it surprise you to see all the jurors in the courtroom wearing blue?
Well, it was all over Twitter, so we knew it was going to happen, but I've never seen it before in any of my other cases.
Why do you suppose that's the case here? What is it about this case that has gotten everyone so wrapped up in it?
I have no idea. It's just, that's what I was trying to tell everybody this morning. It is just a case like any other case in Maricopa County.
Thanks, Jen.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Good luck.
Thank you. We heard from Jody Arias.